Welcome back to Mumford Restoration. We're showing you things coming in and out of the shop. Please go to our social media, YouTube channel, go to our site, mumfordrestoration.com, and take a look at the things that we're restoring so that we can end up fixing something for you or bringing back that sentimental value. So here we have a glider and two of the springform chairs. And people often ask us, well, why would we get this restored? And we often say, well, it is because of the sentimental value. It came from the grandma. It came from, the great-grandma or whatever. And these are older sets. A lot of times we find them to be very rusty and they have to have parts replaced. They are often needing things to be fabricated because we can't find exactly the right fitting. So you can see that the glider still operates good. And this is not powder coating. This is what we want to explain this time. Often we are sandblasting, powder coating, and baking these so that you end up with a really long-lasting finish. But this time we did automotive finishing, and let me explain why. Often powder coating gets so baked on that we only are limited to one solid color. So we would say, hey, this whole piece is going to be white or it's going to be totally blue. So sometimes what we do is go to the automotive finish, which the customer requested, so that we could make white panels. So what we do is paint everything with automotive primer, automotive acrylic enamel, and then clear coat, and then we tape off and paint all of the white in the same process. Acrylic enamel with clear, and that way you get this contrast. And so we end up with a very nice shiny finish. And folks are just thrilled to get this back and see it as when it was first made. It's kind of a cool thing. It also fits into the sentimental value class of furniture. So watch for us to do more of these items as we go along, and we'll try to tell you, well, which ones are powder coated and which ones are automotive finish, because this also lasts a long time, just like a car. Thanks for watching.